Please welcome live on this stage and virtual to you, Mr. Dylan Mendez.
Welcome to the Keynote studio, where we do all things presentations, workshops, or training in a virtual setting. You see, over the past 4 years, I've been traveling across North America, speaking to thousands of students about student leadership and community impact. And then in 2020, COVID hit. Everything was forced to go virtual. And that opened my mind up to something that I could create virtually to help emulate a real person experience. So we've invested in 4K cameras, box lighting, professional sound systems in order to make this event as best as we possibly can. You know, we don't want you to be worried as an event planner and thinking, oh, is his Wi-Fi gonna stop and he's gonna be buffering for the next 10 minutes? That's why we have an actual hardwired connection. We don't want you to be worried about, oh, what if he's gonna be, this small little square on a big screen and all we can see is his PowerPoint and not his face? We've invested in our own in-house production system that if you wanna live stream this event for 20,000 people, we can. If you wanna host a more intimate experience with smaller Zoom breakout rooms, we can. If you wanna do a school assembly or any conference virtually, we can make that happen as well. We've adapted and pivoted because this messaging is now more prevalent than ever before.
And what I've realized happened looking back retrospectively is that so often in life, our mindset stays the same, but the pressures and interests of our peers change.
We had the privilege of having Dylan come speak to our students virtually this year. His message was excellent. The teachers thought he did a wonderful presentation, great message, great delivery. The students found him so relatable as he's young, enthusiastic, and delivered a great message of importance. He had no technical difficulties. He responded right away. He's a true professional, and we would love to have him come speak to our students again. Wonderful, wonderful presentation. Thank you so much, Dylan.
Working with Dylan was fantastic. We had him come and speak to a little under 260 students at a youth leadership seminar, and they loved him. His message was so well received by everyone, and we had so much interest and so many questions from participants.
His talk was unique and engaging, and I am sure that all of our attendees, especially our students, took away valuable lessons and are now inspired to affect positive change in their communities.
If my message resonates with you, or if you think I would be a good fit for your virtual event, let's get in touch and let's see what we can do together. Thank you, take care, talk soon.